Okay, so now let's talk about strings. In our Python project, let's create a new Python file and name it strings. Strings are an integral part of any programming language, and Python is not exception. They are used to represent text-based data, and with Python's built-in string methods, we can perform a variety of operations on strings. In this video, I will cover the definition of strings, how to create strings, and basic strings operation in Python. A string in Python is a sequence of characters and its derived data type and can include letters, numbers, whitespace characters, and symbols. Strings in Python are also immutable, which means once a string is defined, its value cannot be changed. However, we can verify its identity or create a new string in its place.